Over the hot edge of the world, the air shimmers above stone and sand. Heat turns distance into illusion, and the sky feels too wide to trust. Salt wind scrapes the dunes and leaves everything tasting of sun and iron. The rock is a colossal bird that hunts the empty places, and its danger is simple. It makes the sky itself feel like a predator. It is shaped like an eagle, but vast beyond reason. Wings like storm fronts, feathers dark as nightfall, pale as desert glare. A hooked beak built for tearing, talons curved like blades. When it passes overhead, the light changes, a moving eclipse that arrives without warning. It lives far from roads and villages, above cliffs and islands where no one goes unless they must. Sailors watch the horizon for storms. The wise watch for shadows that do not belong to clouds. On a remote island, the nest sits on bare rock, built high to the wind. It is a mass of heavy wood and tangled branches, stacked and wedged together by force rather than care. Inside it, the eggs lie close, smooth and pale as domes, each larger than a man. Below the cliffs, the beach keeps the evidence. Bones lie piled where the surf cannot carry them off. Camel ribs and elephant skulls bleached by salt and sun. The ground is crowded with what remains, a quiet record that never explains itself. The rock can lift what should not be lifted. Oxen, elephants, even the weight of ships and stone. Size alone makes danger inevitable, whether it acts or not. One fallen feather can lie across the sand, dull and wind-worn, longer than a boat's sail. It says only this: the air above this place is claimed. The rule is simple: when the wind dies and the smaller birds vanish, look up. Silence can be a shadow, because the rock is not only about size, it is about scale. It reminds you how thin you are beneath vast forces, how quickly a life can become cargo, how easily certainty can be picked up and carried away. Here is the question: where are you reaching for something so immense that it could lift you clean off the ground? Keep your feet honest. The sky has its own hungers,